Okay, now we're going to take a look at the black version of the Deadpool Taco Truck by Jada, 1/24th, and I have the 1/32 scale right here for people to kind of see the difference in them. And this Deadpool has an ashen and black color suit. Once again, he has no plastic. He was actually screwed in where the other one had a little stand that he was stuck into. So you have the holes that he was screwed in with and the licensing information that he has on the bottom. Once again, like the other one, he's really hefty. He's I believe he's full die cast. Swords, everything seems die cast. He can fit inside the taco truck in the back, and I noticed with the other one and this one that he can also fit right here, so that's pretty interesting. Of course, he wouldn't be able to go into the driver's seat because he cannot bend his legs. So, with this, we have the inside of the taco truck, which has a lot of really cool details, fridge, everything, grill. And the windows on top where you can look down into the truck from there. And this one had a lot of beautiful detail to these trucks. Once again, they're sliding doors, so they don't open outward, they slide in and out. And see the inside of the truck there. Yeah, shut that, sorry. These are plastic, that's plastic. Deadpool written right there. Some nice detail in the truck. And you have your licensing information on your truck right over here. Serial number, Jada logo. This one rolls better than the white one did. The white one's kind of skidded along the bottom, where this one has a much better roll than that one did. That may have been a factory default. But this one seems to roll really nice. I think it's a beautiful truck. You know, once again, no chimichangas. You're out of chimichangas, Deadpool. I can't believe it. And that is the Deadpool Taco Truck 1/24 scale from Jada, with the figure. And that's basically it. Thank you.